When should I sell my investment property? I think for most clients, we recommend that they never sell their property. So, when you buy an investment property, usually we recommend it as a very, 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 very long-term investment. And ideally, even in retirement, you live off the income from your investment property or properties and eventually pass them on to your children. So that's our favourite advice to give. That doesn't mean that you never actually sell investment properties. You then really look at selling an investment property when there's a good reason to do so. So maybe I'll give a few examples. One example might be, and this is something that we see from time to time, a client might have an investment property that they've basically substantially paid off, so they've got very little debt against it, but they might then be buying a home or buying a new home, and that would mean that they would end up with a big debt on their new home and have an investment property with no debt. So that's a circumstance where you'd consider selling the property to end up with with no debt on your home. Another good reason to sell a property might be to fund a business or a really specific purpose, to fund a goal that you can't fund without selling the property. So you carefully consider that. So really, we'd probably, for most clients, would recommend not to sell investment properties unless there was a good reason to do so. And of course, there's a number of things that you should take into account before you sell a property. Capital gains tax, costs, is another way to achieve the same goal. But we might address that in a future video.